Dexter, the cowboy. And this is my partner, Mr. Lazybones. Ha!
Mr. Lazybones. So, welcome to
Dexter's Mustache Lab!
Dexter's Mustache Lab?
Actually, that's what it is today. Not Dexter's Fun Lab. Dexter's Mustache Lab.
Love it. What are we doing today?
Today, we're doing a bubble extreme challenge.
So we went to Hobby Lobby and found this really cool, it's called a Sick Science Bubble Blast Experiment.
Yep. And
So Dexter and Mr. Lazybones, can you please open up the science experiment? I think Mr. Lazybones needs to relax and be lazy. Oh my. Alright, so Mr. Lazybones has his eye. Dexter, where did your mustache go?
I'm forehead.
What a silly goose. Okay, so go ahead and open your box. I know it's hard with one arm, but do your best.
This.
What are those black things?
Gloves.
Gloves.
I
That's
only
cool.
need one since I have a broken arm.
Since you have a broken arm. Yeah, we cannot get your cast wet.
Man, I wish I could eat a bubble.
Well, broken arm or not, you cannot eat bubbles. Okay, so Dexter, first things first. Let's see what's in that plastic bag. Can you tell me?
This is my phone. A bubble and some tools that's going to help us.
Okay, go ahead and take the bubbles and the tools out. Do you need Mama's help? Okay guys, I had to help Dexter unpackage because of the arm situation. So first of all, those things that Dexter has are going to come in quite handy. They are called pipettes. So one of them we cut the end off, and you'll see why in a little bit. So Dexter, take that blue thing of bubbles.
And dump it.
Dump it all in. Glug, 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 glug. So bubbles are just made out of water and glycerin. And glycerin is the secret additive that makes a bubble essentially. It gives a bubble its extra strength because it slows down evaporation. Can you say evaporation?
Evaporation!
Dexter, pick up the pipette that has the end cut off, please.
This?
No, the pipette, yeah. Okay, I cut the end, nope, not that end. Okay, take the straight end, yep, dip it in the bubbles and slowly pick it up and see if you can blow a bubble. Blow it away from your cast, okay? Oh my goodness. Try again. There's a little one. Oh, it's getting big.
I'm gonna make another one.
That is so cool.
Pop in my face.
Okay, now we're going to add in a variable. A variable
What is
is
this?
any change we make to our experiment. That's just a pipette that has, see, it suctions it up.
For what?
It's kind of like a medicine dropper. Scientists use them. For the next variable of the science experiment, put on one glove, please.
Okay.
On your good arm, good hand. I'm gonna help him. Dexter has a glove on. So what I want you to do, Dexter, is I want you to blow a bubble, and once the bubble comes off the tube, see if you can catch it in your hand.
Okay.
Other way. Nope, that's not the part you dip in. That would taste gross in your mouth. Try to catch it on your hand. Oh, it pops, doesn't it? And that's because of the material on the glove. So now we're going to add another variable. Leave the glove on. We are going, don't do this yet, I'll help you, okay? We're going to get your glove a little wet with the bubble solution and then see if the bubble will land on your glove. Okay, now try to catch it. Dexter's glove has been moistened with bubble solution. It popped before it got to your glove. Okay, I had to help Dexter out and blow a bubble, but it stuck to his hand because the bubble solution
Look!
assisted. It's kind of like a softer landing for that bubble. It popped. Okay, now we're going to show you something else really cool. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is a bubble snake. Are bubble snakes even possible?
Nope.
They're not?
Nope.
I bet they are.
Nope.
Okay, so Dexter, hold up our plastic bottle, please. Are your eyes okay?
Not very good.
We probably should have used eye protection. Dexter sometimes gets stuff in his eyes. Okay, so we found a clean, empty plastic bottle, and we cut off the bottom, and we tried to make the edge as straight and smooth as possible, and then we covered that hole with a washcloth and kept a rubber band on it. So Dexter, you're going to dip the fabric into the bubble solution, and then you're going to gently pick it up and blow bubbles.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, don't get it on your cast, okay? That's kind of a bubble snake, huh?
Yep.
That is so cool. Ah! Very neat. Well, good job, Dex. So guys, that is all we have for you today. Dexter and Mr. Lazybones.
What's this?
Can you tell everyone bye, buddy?
Bye. Subscribe. Make sure to turn on notifications and give our video a good thumbs up.
Good job. How do you think you and Mr. Lazybones did today?
Lame.
Lame! You're so silly.
Okay.
All right, bye guys.